what's going on here? Abdulman from the Abdulman channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the tornado. And you see guys, a lot of people don't know how to make a tornado in a bottle, and they see some scientific experiments. So I'm going to show you a tornado made of two things.
No, you say one by one.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what a tornado looks like. I will just show you.
But I have my tornado. I make it. I have it.
Yeah, I don't know how my brother makes it, but his one is probably the best.
I can do it down. This one is be worse.
Move it.
Oh.
I don't think you can see it, but
Give me this.
Okay, yeah, go. You go. I need to make the video, okay?
Hey,
so all you need, guys, is
Can you open it?
Shut up, wait. Okay, all you need is a bottle, empty bottle with no cover, okay? And all you need is dishwashing liquid, okay? You can use anything, just it should be dishwashing. Otherwise, this thing won't work. Okay, Ibrahim, I need you.
What?
Okay,
What's happening?
Okay, Ibrahim, can you hold it for a second?
No.
Yes, come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Okay.
Hey.
Guys, you have to use impurified water, okay? This should wait just a second. This should like this. Yeah, wait, stop. Don't move. Okay. Safety first, guys. Fill it almost half. What the?
Your hand is very dirty.
Okay, almost till here, okay? And then now all you need is this, the dishwashing liquid. Put 3 drops of it. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I want to. No.
If you want it for more, you can just do 5, 6 drops or something. Okay, now close the lid.
And you can just put it in the paper.
Shh. Wait, we'll tell them. You need to move it upside down until it becomes very, very, very quiet. It should be not like okay? Once you see this white thing, you're ready to go. Now, make the bottle upside down and then rotate it, okay? You need to rotate it like this. If you can see the white thing spinning, then comment, okay? And there you see, there's a tornado. I don't think you can see it. Let me just bring mine. Hey, stay here.
No, I want to my water put.
Okay, wait. Okay, let me just put it upside down. Oh, there you go. That's the tornado. If you want it more visible, you can do food coloring, okay? Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.